Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing design initiative where each week we give away a brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a stunning virtual conference layout pack that is overflowing with impressive design features. We think you're going to love it. Check it out. This timely virtual conference layout pack is overflowing with impressive cutting-edge design features and systematized layouts that are perfect for virtual conference websites. Use the helpful layouts to showcase events, speakers, schedules, pricing, and so much more. And you can get your new virtual conference website up and running in no time today with this new layout pack. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new virtual conference layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we start adding our new pre-made layout pack, we must first make sure and authenticate our Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. And after that's done, you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To do that, go to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Virtual Conference Layout Pack and select it. There, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and select the one that you want, and once you're ready, click the button Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it or save it. And you can always go in and edit the layout however you want using the Divi Builder built-in options. And once all of your pages have been created and you've added all of those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages, you are ready to create your main menu for your website, a primary menu. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created with those corresponding layouts. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to the menu. You can organize the menu items however you like using the menu structure area. Once that's done, make sure to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one final step, you'll want to create a static page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. And then for the homepage, go ahead and select that home page with that corresponding homepage pre-made layout for the virtual conference layout pack, and then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new virtual conference layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure to click to get those notifications. That way you don't miss out on anything new we'll be sending your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.